Hello! If you ever wondered how does YouTube TV work, this video is for you. I'll cover everything from signing up to using YouTube TV's best features so you can decide if it's the right choice for your entertainment needs. Let's dive in. Step 1. What is YouTube TV? YouTube TV is a subscription-based streaming service that offers live TV from popular networks, including local news, sports, and entertainment. Unlike regular cable, it's all online, no cable boxes or extra hardware needed. Just a reliable internet connection and you're good to go. Step 2. How to sign up. Now, let's go through the sign-up process. It's super simple. Step 1. Visit YouTube TV's website or app. Go to tv.youtube.com or download YouTube TV app from your device's app store. Step 2. Start free trial. YouTube TV usually offers a free trial for new users. Just click Try it free to get started. You'll need a Google account, so if you don't have one, create it first. Step 3. Choose your plan. Follow the prompts to choose your plan and add any premium add-ons you like, such as HBO, Showtime, or sports packages. Step 4. Enter payment information. Even though it's a free trial, you'll need to enter payment info. And don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends, and you can cancel anytime. Step 5. Finish up. Confirm your choices and you're in. Now you have access to YouTube TV. Step 3. How to use YouTube TV. Once you've signed up, here's how you start using YouTube TV. 1. Home screen and guide. When you log in, you'll see the home screen with personalized recommendations based on what's trending, your viewing history, and more. You can also go to the Live tab to view traditional TV guide, showing what's currently on and what's coming up. 2. DVR functionality. One big benefit of YouTube TV is unlimited DVR storage. You can record shows, movies, and sports which are saved up to 9 months. Just click this plus button on any program to add it to your DVR. Step 3. Profiles for multiple users. YouTube TV enables family sharing, and you can share your YouTube TV with up to 5 family members. You can access family sharing by clicking your profile photo, then going to Settings, and here in a section called Family Sharing, you click Manage and you can start sharing your YouTube TV. I have a step-by-step guide on family sharing linked in the descriptions for you, so make sure to check it out. Step 4. Search and recommendations. You can use the search bar to find specific shows, channels, or movies. You can also use voice search if you're on a compatible device. Step 5. On-the-go viewing. With the YouTube TV app, you can watch on your phone, tablet, or even cast to your TV. This makes it easy to watch from almost anywhere with an internet connection. And that's it. YouTube TV is a flexible, easy-to-use alternative to cable with a lot of options for customization and on-demand viewing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.